Hello everyone, welcome to InfoScience Tutorials, and today's topic is Python package development. Uh, Today we will demonstrate how to create a package in Python, and for hosting either we can host to PyPy, Python package repository, or we can use GitHub. So in this demo I'll be creating a simple package which adds two number, a class, and we will be hosting that to GitHub, and in our test script we will be importing that package and we'll be using that. So let's get started. So if you see here structure, under the packages, simple header is the source code. So let's go to the source code of this package. Inside this you see we have setup.py file, readme, license, and simple header file, simple header folder. Inside that we have init file. So init file is the class header which has an init method which initialize two variables, and add method which perform addition of these two variables and return it. Simple. License is the mighty license. Readme you can have instruction how to install it. For example, pip install simple header. Setup.py file is the main file which contains the metadata related to this package. So if you see, this is the standard format. Some of the variables that you can define: simple header, your name, package name, versions, description, long description using readme, content is text markdown because we have markdown format, author emails, URL is your project GitHub repo URL if you have it. If you don't have it, you can put any website URL as well. Classifier standard like license, operating system, Python version, measure you can define, and here you can define the actual Python version which is required by this package. So this is pretty much very simple. This is the class initialize, and in add method return the addition. Now how to use this package? You can see I have hosted this package here in the GitHub repo, and this is my URL of GitHub. So how I include it? This is in main branch. We can include using branches, or you can include using the tags. It's up to you in your in where you want to use this package. So I have created a virtual environment here, and this is the requirement file. Inside that we need to specify like this: if you are using or hosting your package to git plus, this is the whole URL, @ your branch if you want to fetch package particular branch. If you want to fetch the tag, you can specify @ tag number like v1, v2, or something like that, whatever you will have. So at this point we are having main branch. I have defined it, and this is my class. For example, in my class I have another method. Here I am importing this header class from simple header package and passing two arguments, values 2 and 3, as you can see, and returning the addition of it. So I have initialized my class and call the add method of my class, which is now calling the add method and returning the sum of it. So let's see. First let me do pip list. You can see simple header is already there. Let me remove it. So we can do pip uninstall simple header. It will ask you if you want to remove these files, because it is here currently. Lib simple header. You see it is built. I have already installed it, so I have removed it. As you can see, it is not here. If you want to install again, you can do like pip install. Since it is not in PyPy package directory, so we need to specify requirement.txt file, and there we have defined where to get the package from Git. Okay, so it will fetch, as you can see, from Git. It is doing clone from the main branch, and building the package dependencies, all it does. As you can see, it is done. Building wheels, building package and all. and it is here, simple header. It has built some metadata as well, and at the end it has copied the our class init file. Okay, so in my class, at the end you see it is successfully installed. Okay, so in my class, again, let's go to code. We are importing header class from simple header. So in Python, how it works, you need to have init file inside every directory to consider it as a package. So we have init file. We could have another file class there, but yeah, init file we considered, we took it, and their header class we are importing, which is here defined. Okay, and we are calling, we are initializing the header class, then calling the add method. So when we initialize, we are passing the arguments, and when we call add method, inside that it accesses the AV and adding it. So if I want to execute this my class file, all I need to do is Python my class. We are passing 2 and 3 and expecting 5 will be output. So as you can see, 5 is output. If you want to test it, 12 and -3 or -2, let's do. So it will be 10, I believe. Let's do it. Yeah, it is 10. So yeah, it is doing it correctly, like 1000 and 200. It will be 1200. Yeah. So simple. In this way, you can construct your classes. If it is pure Python package, you can write down your own logic using Python. If you want to use other libraries in your package, then what you can do, inside setup.py file, you can define dependencies. We have like classifiers similar to that. We have dependencies, something like that. I share the actual structure of that in my tutorials at the end in the notes. Using that dependencies, you can define if you want to use other packages to build your own package. All right. You can similarly build your packages for other frameworks and CMS like Django, Flask. For that, you can also build. I mean, you can follow their own structure, but yes, how to develop the Python package, it will be similar. So do let me know if you have any comments or have any queries. I'll feel free to answer it. Yeah, thanks for joining. Yes, on.